Okay, this is a Southwestern Industries CNC vertical milling machine. It is a track DPM V3, new in 2002, with a VM control. Serial number 022AV11641. It has a 10x50 table, a 40 taper spindle, 5 horsepower, programmable spindle speed, and we're going to run it for you. That's your control, which is a window-based control. Those are electronic pulse hand wheels. Go ahead, let's run it. It's jogging the x-axis, the other direction, the y-axis, the Z. You can also do that through the hand wheels. He's using the hand wheel there. You can see it's turning the control. There you go. Ball screws and servo motors sound good. That's the whole head going up and down through that hand wheel. It also has a torque right air operated power drawbar. He's running the spindle right now. You hear it's really nice and quiet. I'll show you what the RPM is. It's 1200, 1500. The table, as you see here, has not been milled into. Again, those are your hand wheels. That is a spray mist coolant, leveling pads, and some miscellaneous tool holders with some collets. That is your automatic lubrication system. That's your serial number. That shows you the control, which was serviced, I think, in '09. Your bellows covers, halogen work light. It's original paint. Anything else we can show them? That's about the size of it. Thanks for watching the video.